Hello, and welcome to this month's edition of the Capstone Fund 5 video newsletter. This month is for the collection period of August 2020 that we remitted to all of you September 15th. So for the August collections period that we just paid out, the return was 10.62, so really solid return, right in that zone of the 10 to 11, 10 to 12% range that we're trying to shoot for most of these months coming through coronavirus. Also, some good news about Fund 5 is now that summer's over and people are back in town, the fund amount is starting to grow. We went from about $5.25 million up to $5.5 million or so in the last month. So thank you to the few people that put some more money in Fund 5 and our new investors. And we have a few other people looking at the fund, and so we should be pushing $6 million here in the next month or so. That's all really good for building some momentum in Fund 5 and having some inertia that we've talked about in earlier videos in the amount of money and the amount of capital deployed that helps even out returns over time. So thank you very much again, and keep looking for new investors for us. In local news, looking at some articles this morning to share with you. Of course, Phoenix, Scottsdale, Maricopa County, Arizona, still a hot spot for new home buyers and whatnot. The actual year over year price increase has risen to 7.8%. Also, there's 42% less homes on the market right now, and homes in Arizona are selling an average of 7 days faster than 1 year ago at this time. So that since March, the pandemic effect and the rates dropping down to 3% have all had that effect, as sellers are unsure about the economy, not sure if they want to put their house on the market, unsure about the economy, pandemic environment, and of course, the election's coming up. On a national scale, since March, this is not year over year, but since March, there's actually 400,000 less homes to date than there were last year, the previous March to September 2019. Significant reduction in the national home inventory. So the phenomenon we're seeing here in Arizona is being reported by the Association of Realtors all throughout North America. So it's very interesting to see this housing phenomenon occur in conjunction with coronavirus. So thanks again to everybody being interested, looking at our emails, watching these little videos, still looking for new investors. Again, like I said, we're pushing $6 million here hopefully over the next month or two, pushing our way up to $10 million before we start our next fund. So if you have any questions, please call us, email us, reply to this email. If you want to come by and have coffee at our office, we're here. We have a great social distancing office, and we'd love to see you. So have a great afternoon, a great day, whatever time you're watching this, and we'll talk to you next month.